Let me show you how to create a Microsoft Access database. Since this has been a common request in the comment section, simply click the Start button, then type the word Access. The program appears here. Click on it. Access launches. You have several templates from which you can select. Here you can even find more templates by clicking More Templates. But for now, we want to create blank database, so click on Blank Database. Type the database name, for example, Library Management. Browse to save your database by clicking this folder icon in front of the database name. Choose the location from here. For example, you can choose desktop to have your database on the desktop. Then click OK and click Create. Congratulations! You've created a blank database. Now this database needs a table, a form, a query, and a report. In the next video, I will show you how to create a table and enter records into it, declare data types, and insert primary keys. Make sure to like and subscribe so that you don't miss it out. See you in the next one.